So it works. I'm not super satisfied with the attachment method to the bench. I like this whole 2x4 arrangement here. Certainly that could be done better, ideally with a bolted connection, if you do have access to the backside. You can see there's a little bit of flex in that whole attachment. This whole assembly is tilting outward a little bit because the caster's offset is putting that torque. That's what blew out the holder in the earlier version. This one's up to the task of restraining that, no problem. It can withstand that because of the print orientation change, and I beefed it up a bit. Functional, but I think that this mechanism could be made a little bit better. It's touchy when you let it go, if you're not doing it in a controlled fashion like you would if you press it with your foot. You saw it. Basically, the weight drives it, because while this cam doesn't backdrive, it doesn't take much to release it. It's a bit jarring, so I could see that being an issue on something where, like a bandsaw, for example, that could maybe throw the table at a level if there was a jarring shock. This is fast, but it's not like it's dropping the weight. It is in a sort of controlled fashion because a little bit of friction drag. So this satisfies the basic design challenge, but I'm still thinking of other ways to improve it. If you'd like to print your own, you can find a link in the description.